In this video, we'll be assembling and installing shelving units. This kit includes all needed hardware. This installation requires the tools shown here. For more detailed instructions, see the manual included with this kit. Today, we will be installing this kit on a Ram ProMaster van. With the end panels parallel to each other, insert the top shelf into the bayonet clips with square hole facing the front of the shelf unit. Carefully stand up assembled panels. Secure the top shelf by screwing the provided bolts through the end panel and into the weld nuts on the shelf. Install the shelves starting with the lowest and working upwards. Refer to the van model chart in the instruction manual for model-specific bottom shelf locations. Align the shelf to desired holes and secure in the same way as the top shelf. Install the remaining shelves at the desired locations, ensuring the shelf is secured in the proper holes to be level. Lay shelf unit on its back to access the bottom of the end panel. Then loosely assemble a floor mounting bracket to each end panel. The bracket should overlap and support bottom of end panel. If installing accessories, do that now. Refer to installation instructions and/or videos for each model before proceeding. To install the shelf unit, first verify where shelves are to be placed in the van. Be sure to check for clearance around wheel wells, tire jack, fuel tank, fuel filler, brake lines, and wiring harness. Then mark wall mounting locations. Using the mounting rail as a guide, mark at least 2 mounting locations per rail in the horizontal wall rail. We recommend using the blind fasteners provided in the hardware kit to mount the shelf unit. Ensure mounting locations will not puncture vital vehicle components. To install a blind fastener, start by drilling a pilot hole with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Then re-drill the hole with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Assemble the blind fastener and install tools on a 9/16 wrench. Install blind fasteners in the van wall rail at marked locations. Ensure the blind fastener is fully seated. Using a 10mm wrench or socket, drive the black oxide bolt until the blind fastener is fully seated. Make sure the blind fastener and install tool did not turn during installation. Drive the black oxide bolt in the opposite direction to remove the install tools. The blind fastener should now be secured in the van. Attach the mounting rail to the van using provided hardware into the blind fastener. Position assembled shelf unit and line up S-bracket for desired placement, and attach to top of shelf unit. For floor blind fasteners, follow the same steps to install blind fasteners into the van floor at marked locations. Then move the shelf out of the way. Assemble mounting hardware to rail by sliding carriage bolt with carriage bolt plate onto the mounting rail and turn 90 degrees. Then slide to desired location. Next, reposition the assembled shelf unit. Check for S-bracket alignment and mount shelf unit to wall and floor. Assemble a lock nut and a flat washer to each mounting bolt. Loosely attach the shelf unit to the blind fastener and rail. Once all brackets and mounting bolts are in place, recheck for alignment and tighten. To secure the mounting strap, slide another carriage bolt plate with carriage bolt into the mounting rail. Secure an angled bracket loosely with lock nut. Attach mounting strap to bracket. Slide into position and secure to shelf end panel. Tighten all hardware. Repeat with remaining shelving units.